Ann Arbor grounds, Cessna 1377 Sierra, it has Northwest Tees, ready to taxi with hotel.
1377 Sierra, Ann Arbor ground, runway 24, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
24 via Charlie Alpha, 77 Sierra. Here we go.
This is 028, you continue eastbound, contact will run 125.27, safe flight.
Continue eastbound, will run power 2527, Cessna 800, turning.
33, 35, 42, 55, 60, rotate, nice. 72, 73, getting a little high, 1900, fine.
Says let's see, runway 24, wind 2309, clear for the option.
Runway 24, clear for the option, 770. Okay, airspeed is good, 66, 64, 63, looking good. And then pull it up and hold it. Straighten it out, pull it up. Okay, not bad. Flaps up. Get some right rudder. Flaps looking good. Full power. $50, $55, rotate. Okay, looking good. Here's the stall horn. Power out. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Flaps up. Flaps coming up. Full power. Keep the nose on the center line. 50. 55. Rotate. Red and white. Looking good. Okay, runway mate, pullers out. I'll hold the nose up. Oh, that wasn't pretty. It's too high. So we're at 300 feet over the trees. I'd like to be a little lower. The last landing wasn't bad. I don't think there's one red, one white. That's what we want. Gotta get down, gotta get down. That was not bad. A little bit off center line. Center line, center line. Nose up. Not bad, not bad. Hold the nose, hold the nose. Flaps up. Nose is down. Full power. Ooh, man. Flaps up. Come across slower. Power's out. Nose is up. Nose. Power to idle. Hold that nose up. Get on the center line. Okay. Nose is coming up, nose is coming up, nose is coming up. That's pretty nice. Flaps up. Nose is coming down. Full power. Woohoo! 55, 60, rotate. Up we go! Yippee-ki-yay! Woo!
Helicopter 1,500.
At
Hey.
above 2,000, Cessna
2 Romeo
800,
Juliet.
Yankee.
All right.
Ann Arbor Tower, Cessna 572, Romeo Juliet, runway 24, ready for takeoff, westbound.
November 572 Romeo Juliet, Ann Arbor Tower, hold short, runway 24, landing traffic.
572 Romeo Juliet, holding short, 24.
Pretty good, pretty good. All right, nose is coming down. Full power.
All the Cessnas should be out of your way at this time.
1397 X-rays, turning southbound, thank you.
Cessna 115, that helicopter traffic ahead of you is heading south.
Yeah, we got him. We got good clearance on him. We'll pass behind and overhead 115.
Roger.
And Cessna 010 Yankee, can we cancel the restriction above 2,000?
November 010 Yankee, delete altitude restriction, wind 2204, gust 14, runway 24, clear for the option. After the option, make left, close traffic.
Cancel altitude restriction and clear for the option, runway 24, left traffic after. This will be a full stop, 010 Yankee.
Ann Arbor Tower, sorry, this is full stop, 770.
November 770, turn right at Alpha 3, contact ground 121.6.
Right at Alpha 3, over to ground, 770. Ann Arbor ground, Cessna 1377 Sierra, Alpha 3, Northwest Keys. Ready to taxi.
1377 Sierra, ground, taxi Northwest Easy, Alpha Bravo Charlie, cross runway 12.
Taxi Alpha Charlie, cross runway 12770 Sierra. Here we go! Woo! What a day!